Hello and welcome. Digital sum technique is very helpful in verifying the answers of addition and subtraction problems. This lecture is based on application of digital sum in verifying the answers of addition and subtraction problems. Now these are two problems and we will see how to apply digital sum technique to verify that this answer is correct. First of all, we will find digital sums of individual numbers and we will add them. And then we will find the digital sum of the solution, and if they come out to be same, then the answer is correct. Digital sum of 324 is 3 plus 2 plus 4, 9. Digital sum of 457 is, we can slash sum of 4 and 5, that is 9, so 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Now 16 is a two-digit number, so we further add the digits. 7. So 7 is the digital sum. Now let's see what is the digital sum of the answer. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, so 7. So from here we can see that digital sum of the answer is also 7. So that means this answer is correct. Let's try to do it over here. First we will find the digital sums of these numbers. Now here the digital sum 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 is the digital sum of this number. For this number we can slash 9 present in the number, and now we will add the rest of the numbers. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. Again we will add the digits, so 9 is the digital sum. Now because this is addition problem, so we will add the digital sums. 7 plus 9 is 16, which is again 1 plus 6, 7. So 7 is the digital sum. Now let's see what is the digital sum of the answer. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. And again the digital sum is 7. And this digital sum is same as the digital sum of digital sums of these numbers. These are the problems where we are adding two numbers. But sometimes we have to add so many numbers together. At that time, adding all the numbers again is difficult, but digital sum technique helps us to verify the answers fast. In many competitive exams, we get multi-choice questions. One of the application of digital sum technique is, it helps us to choose the right option very fast. Let's see how. Find digital sum of all the numbers to be added. Add their digital sums, and if you get two-digit number again add the digits to get a single digit number. Find digital sums of all the options present in the questions. Final answer is the option with the same digital sum. In order to understand well, let's try to take an example. We have to add these numbers and then we have to choose one of the right option. Now, digital sum technique is going to help us to solve this problem within a few seconds. Let's see how. Instead of adding these numbers, we will add their digital sums. And the option with the same digital sum is going to be the right answer. Let's see how. For finding the digital sum of this number, we can slash all the 9s present in the number and the totals of 9, that is 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 is the digital sum. So very fast we can find digital sum. 8 is the digital sum. Now here 5 plus 4 is 9. Now 8 plus 2 plus 3 is 13. 13 is further added. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. So 4 is the digital sum of this number. Now here we can slash 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 8 is the digital sum. In this case we can slash 9, then 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we can add these numbers. 8 plus 1 plus 6 is 15. So again we will add 1 and 5, 6. 6 is the digital sum of this number. Now instead of adding the numbers, we will add the digital sums. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 is a two-digit number, so we will add the digits again to get a single digit number, 8. 8 is the digital sum. Now we will find the digital sums of individual options. Here 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6. In this case, 6 plus 3 is 9. And now 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. 17, so we will add 1 and 7 again, 8. 8 is the digital sum. Now in this case, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 is the digital sum. Now here 6 plus 3 is 9 and 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 means 1 plus 8, 9. So 9 is the digital sum. And from here, second option has the same digital sum as 8. So that means second option is the right option. So in this way, this technique helps to find right answer very fast. Let's try to solve a few more examples. Now here, again we will find digital sums of these numbers and we will add them. Now this is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So digital sum is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And again if we add 1 and 0, we get 1 as a digital sum. Here 5 plus 4 is 9. So 6 is the digital sum. 9, we slash 9. And 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Which is 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 is the digital sum. Now we will add these digital sums. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. Which is a 2-digit number. So we add the digits again and 8 is the digital sum. Let's try to find the digital sums of these options. And the option with 8 as a digital sum will be the right answer. Now we slash 9 from here, 4 plus 4 is 8. We slash 9, total of 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, so 3 is the digital sum. 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, so 9 is the digital sum. 6 plus 3 is 9 and now 5 is the digital sum. Now the digital sum of this first option is the right answer. Now similar are the steps for the subtraction problem. First we find the digital sum of both the numbers, subtract their digital sums, find digital sums of all the options present in the questions. Final answer is the option with the same digital sum. In case the digital sum is negative, then convert the digital sum to positive by adding 9 to it. Let's see how to apply digital sum technique for subtraction problems. Now here we are subtracting 16 from 47 and we are getting 31. And we want to verify that this answer is correct or not. Let's see how to do it. First of all, we will find individual digital sums of these numbers and we will subtract. 4 plus 7 is 11 and the digital sum is 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 is the digital sum for second number. Now we will subtract these digital sums. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Because we are getting negative digital sum, we have to make it positive by adding 9 to it. So 4 is the digital sum. Let's see whether the answer also has 4 as a digital sum. 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes. So that means this answer is correct. Let's try to solve one more problem. Again we will find digital sums for these numbers. 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. So 8 plus 7 is 15. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6 is the digital sum for first number. Now 6 plus 3 is 9 and now we have to add these numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 is the digital sum for this number. Now 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Since we are getting negative digital sum, so we will add 9 to get a positive digital sum, 6. So 6 is the digital sum. Let's see whether the answer also has 6 as a digital sum. Here 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15 and 1 plus 5 is 6. Yes, we are getting the same digital sum. So this is how we can verify answers of subtraction problems. Now this is a multi-choice question. Let's see how to do it. First of all, we will find digital sums of these numbers. We can slash 9s present in the number. Now we have to add these numbers. 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 5 is 31. But we want a single number. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 is the digital sum. Now here we can slash 9. Now 6 plus 3 is also 9. Now we have to add these numbers. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6 is the digital sum. Now we will subtract these. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Since we are getting negative digital sum, so we will add 9 to get a positive digital sum. 7 is the digital sum. Let's see which option is going to give us 7 as a digital sum. Now here, so 1 is the digital sum. 8. So 8 is the digital sum. So 7 is the digital sum. So 4 is the digital sum. Now third option is having the same digital sum as 7. So third option is the right answer. So in this way, digital sum technique is very helpful in choosing the right option in multiple choice questions.